In this video, I am going to show you how to see most recent posts of friends on Facebook application. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on the menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your menu, you have to scroll down and you will see the option that says feeds. So you have to tap on that. If you are unable to see the feeds option, you have to first of all tap on see more. Now you will be able to see the feeds option. So you have to tap on that. In feeds, you have to first of all tap on friends. In friends, you will be able to see the most recent posts of your friends on Facebook application. As you can see, this post was made 1 day ago. Now if I scroll down, this post was made 2 days ago. So this is how you can see the most recent posts of your friends on Facebook. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.